The horse is how I bring my medicine, my teachings, my music, my talents to the world. All that I have accumulated through my life is represented by the horse. The Plains Indians were receiving dreams and prophecies about an animal coming to them that they would be able to ride. And in 1540, it was the Spanish conquistador Coronado who left what is known as Mexico City today and came north into our country with a huge entourage looking for the 7 cities of gold from Spanish legend. He had 200 horsemen of nobility, 70 foot soldiers, and 1,000 Indian slaves herding his cattle, sheep, goats, pigs, and horses. He did not find the gold. Instead, he found the Zuni Pueblos. After stealing everything from them that he could, they told him that the gold is out east. Go east, find the chief who sleeps and takes his nap under the tree, filled with golden bells. But he did not find the gold in the east. Instead, he found the buffalo. After being thrown and injured from his horse, he returned to Mexico broken and disheartened. But he had answered the prophecies, and now the Plains Indians' lives were changed forever. They could hunt farther, kill more buffalo, build more lodges, and they grew stronger as nations. And yet the Blackfeet Lakota had no word for this animal. They called it Tashunka, big dog. They replaced their dogs, the animal, to pull their travois across the prairies. But in ceremony, they would honor the horse with the eagle feather, and they would refer to it as Tashunka Waka, the holy dog. Ride with me now in your imagination. Feel the wind in your face and the power beneath you, because this is the medicine of the horse, the holy dog. Tashunka Waka.